This is Action Corrosion. We've got a unit here that has never been coated, never been treated by us, but it's been brought in to treat and to remove the rust. And this is where we get our information about where we need to treat units. You can see the bottom pan has debris there, and that will be blocking the drain hole in the bottom, and that will create all the rust that you see here. The bottom of the coil has some corrosion setting in, and that's another area where we really concentrate on. We've taken the panels off. You can see the coil guard has rust all the way down. We'll remove that with our Action gel, and then we'll treat that. We have the lid here with some corrosion. That's a better view of the bottom pan. This is the area that we concentrate with spraying, because you've got copper, Duragal and aluminium all meeting, and they're highly reactive together, cause corrosion. This one doesn't look too bad until you get down the bottom, and you can see where the rust is setting in here of the Duragal, and that'll slowly work through all the leaves of the fin. So we're going to remove as much rust as we can, and treat it and spray it in the booth as we do with new units. But this is basically gives us all our information, so we can always improve on our coating service, and we know exactly where we have to concentrate on spraying when we pull apart. So we're blowing through the all the debris off the bottom. So the panels have been de-rusted with Action gel. You can see the coil guard is totally clean now. The lid's had the rust removed, and Brennan's now working on another panel. So it looks nice and clean. The unit's been de-rusted. We've got some metal loss in that bottom, which we can't do much about. The bottom pan looks a lot better than how it was. So this is the unit, de-rusted, sprayed. It's been put in the heat room, put back together. You can see we've sorted out the majority of the rust issues that it had.